Alright, what's up guys? Today I'm not going to be working on the transmission. I misplaced the little brass bushing that goes on the crank. I cannot find it, but there's another one on the way. Once that comes in, then we can finish assembling the transmission and moving along with the car. But in the meanwhile, I'm going to be working on the AC. Specifically, I want to make a bracket for the condenser to hold it here on the bottom. These two bolts, or this little area right here with the two holes, that's where the horn goes. So basically I'm going to make a small little sandwich plate that goes from here alongside here and then back up a little bit to line up with these holes. Then we drill those out and just drill one out so it'll hold it here in place, and it'll go sandwiched between the horn. So I got two little bin stuff, so I'm gonna try that out today, and then continue on with the AC, see what else I can do now that I can't really lower the car or move it up and down, so I figured do something better than nothing. So yeah, let's go ahead and start on that. So as you guys can see, it's pretty difficult to do this by hand, but I'm a big dummy. I have a handy dandy bar that makes this thing a billion times easier. Use leverage. That would have taken me like a whole minute just to do one turn. And it's at about 90 with that, so that'll do. Let's unlock it. We got ourselves our nice little bracket. So now I'm gonna measure more or less how far up I want this, and then just cut this guy and start drilling. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so this is where we're at. The bracket actually fits well. It sits flush on this guy, which is great. It doesn't stick out too much. I actually cut the bolt circles pretty good. So everything's on there nice. I went ahead and took off the top mounts that I had previously used, which were these guys. The reason for that is the condenser itself was not centered. So what I'm gonna do is, well, I'm gonna build another one of these guys right here, throw it over there, and this will be level here. And then on the top end, it's almost flush with each other. So I'm gonna just get a small piece of metal and basically just drill one hole on top to hold it there and two on the bottom, and bolt everything up. And same thing on this point over here. Another small piece of metal, 3 holes, bolt it up. And then the condenser itself is gonna have 4 points. It's gonna be held 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it'll be there nice and tight. One small modification from last time is right here I had a 45. So that was because this was shifted more towards this side. So now once you center it, just put a 90 degree bend one in there, and then you can run the hose that way and it'll pretty much fit. So I'm gonna do all that off camera now because it's pretty repetitive. You guys already seen me struggle with this guy. But for the sake of this video, I'm still gonna work on the, I know I said I wasn't gonna work on the transmission, but I wanna take the old flywheel off, and I have that curiosity to see the new flywheel weight versus the old flywheel. Let's see what that is. So let me go ahead and take off the flywheel and do that. Alright, so let's weigh them. This is the stock one. 22.5. Clear it. And then the hook one. 18.8. So a little less than 4 pounds lighter. Even though this guy is big, it's hollow, so it's lighter than the stock one. But yeah, I think that's gonna do it for today. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up that off camera. And yeah, so now we're just waiting on a couple parts and we'll keep moving forward with this project. But anyways, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys next time.